Here is the stump I will be dealing with in this video. This is a quick preview of what I am going to do with it. In my opinion, this is an easiest and quickest way to get rid of the stump if you don't want to rent a grinder or have heavy machinery to do this job for you. It is a lot less physical than digging, power washing the roots, cutting or lifting. First step is to cut the stump as low as possible with a chainsaw. Second step is to carefully cut these lines into the stump so that fire can go in deeper. Also, it is a good idea to surround the stump with rocks. 2 reasons. First is the fire prevention. Check your local regulations. Second, it is easy to keep the fire centered after a few hours. Start building a fire. I have a lot of rotten wood and branches to get rid of. Also, this method doesn't need to have an electric or water close by. You can add some gasoline to help establishing the fire before lighting it, especially if your branches and wood are not fully dry, but be careful. We all saw a bunch of videos of people burning everything around them trying to add gasoline on the existing fire. Use common sense. I like to use this propane ice torch to help the fire in the beginning. Keep adding wood into the fire. You will need the fire for at least 3 hours. Stumps are not burned easily. That is why cutting lines into the stump is so important. For one fire like this, you can burn only 2 to 3 inches off the top. That is the reason behind cutting the stump as close to the ground as you can. Just be careful not to hit the ground with the chainsaw. Chain will be dulled in a second. There are some perks to this method. You can have fun with your kids and have them roast some marshmallows. Or even have a barbecue. Keep feeding the fire for at least 3 hours. No more than that. Two more hours to go for this stump. Almost done. 1 more hour. This is my next stump to burn down. It will probably take 2 fires for this one. Next day, remove all the ash and rocks, then you can scrape the stump. At this point, the stump should be an inch or 2 below the ground level. Cover it with some topsoil and level it. In the spring, put some grass seeds. Click like if this video helped you.